Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a tasty zucchini fish lasagna. It's protein packed and low carb, and it's so easy to make.
We need 2 small or 1 large zucchini. Cut them into thin slices. Young zucchini can be used with the skins. You should get about 800 grams. Grate 400 grams of cheese and 400 grams of canned tuna without juice and oil. You can use other fish or you can take fried minced meat. Grease the baking dish with oil. On the bottom I spread a layer of zucchini. You can see I am overlapping the zucchini by about half. Put about a third of slices in the first layer. I place half on the fish on top. Sprinkle it a little with lemon. Top with a layer of herbs or your fave spices. Next I spread some cheese, which is third of what we've grated. Next the second layer of zucchini. And we repeat all the layers again. The remaining fish, some lemon juice, herbs and cheese. The last layer is our top layer, so add the zucchini, then add the last of your cheese. This lasagna takes a long time to bake, because the zucchini produce a lot of juice and it takes time for it to evaporate. I bake it for about an hour. Lasagna is ready. Crispy crust and luscious filling. So much fish and cheese. Zucchini gives a delicate luscious texture. Look how delicious it is. And this is a healthy dish with lots of vegetables and protein packed. There is quite a lot of juice in this kind of lasagna. If you want, you can drain it even before cutting, while the lasagna is fixed in form. Have a nice day!